In this quick tutorial, we will show you how to get your design or file and place it onto one of our t-shirt templates for printing. You can use any type of file that you can open in Photoshop, or you can even design directly on the template if you do not already have a design or file ready. First, we open the downloaded template file. Get the file from the directory where you downloaded it to. With the template file open, one thing we will have to keep in mind is to remove or turn off the background layer when we are about to save this for printing. It is important that we do this in order for the printer to print only the graphics you want, without a square solid background. Now, you can either design onto this template or bring in a design you already have. Here, we will open a logo we have created for a customer. Notice we now have a second window open. We can simply hold and drag the window to the side, allowing us to drag and drop our design onto our template file. Now we will just close the logo design window, leaving only our template window open. Next, we will go to the Layers panel. Here, you should have the layer with your design and another layer titled Background. Now, we select both layers by holding Control on your keyboard while clicking on each layer once. Next, we go up to our Alignment toolbar and horizontal align the design to the background layer. After that, we do the same with the Vertical Align button. Once we do this, we go back to our Layers panel and turn off the background layer by clicking on the eyeball icon next to that layer. This leaves us with a transparent background displayed by a checkered pattern. Then we select the layer the design is on. Now, if you notice, our logo cuts off on the left side and right side edges. If we leave it like this, our print will also cut off at these points. Let's adjust the logo so that it all fits inside the canvas boundaries. Go to Edit, then select Transform and Scale. You should now see a bounding box around your design. We now go up and make sure this little chain link icon is selected, allowing us to proportionally scale our design. In this case, I think a 90% scale should be good enough. Yes, this looks good, so I will hit Enter on my keyboard to set it. Now you see the left and right side of the logo are well within the canvas boundaries. Nothing is sticking out or touching the canvas boundaries all around, so we are sure our entire image will print as intended. Finally, we go and save our file for printing by selecting Save As, naming our file, and selecting PNG as the file type. You can choose any format for the file size, but we would highly suggest you choose the smallest file size in order to make uploading this file a breeze when ordering online. That is it! You now have a printable file ready. This is what the final printed product looks like. Full color, high-resolution printing. We used the chest print template on this tutorial, but it is the same process for any template you download from us. When you order online, you will have to select the placement type for your design. Currently, we offer full front print, chest print, pocket side print, full back print, half back print, and top back print options. This completes this AR Printworks tutorial. Visit arprintworks.net for more tutorials.